Have a nice day, everyone. This video is the last one in this series of aircraft Boeing 737 exterior inspection. This is the video number 9 for cold weather operations. This is responsibility of the maintenance personnel, not the crew or pilots. This is just for maintenance only. The cold weather, when the outside air temperature is less than or equal 0 centigrade. Take care. This is the references. The Boeing 737 exterior inspection. This is BDF, the short link, and also this is the short link BDF. This is my channel and my photo. And this is the procedure to make the inspection around the aircraft. Here, pay extra attention to the following items. In the cold operation, we said that the temperature, outside air temperature, less than or equal 0 centigrade. Number 1, the surfaces, the controlled surfaces, all the controlled surfaces, and the wings and the tail. Here, control balance cavities. Any cavities here must be checked for frozen, for ice contamination. Take care, the ice. The ice may move. Don't make the surfaces to move. Pilot props and static boards. Here also to the correct data, no error for data. Air conditioning inlets and exits. Engine inlets, fuel tank vents, landing gear doors, nose and main. APU Air Inlets. Here is the surfaces in the wing, leading edge, trailing edge, and also the tail, horizontal stabilizer, and vertical stabilizer, all the cavities here, and all the surfaces. Here is the control balance cavities. Take care here, here. This is the Pitot probes and static probes. Look here, this is probes at the left hand and also the right hand, and here the static probes. Air conditioning inlet. This is the air conditioning inlet here. Take care here. Also here. This is the air conditioning exits. The two backs, left and right. Here's the engine inlet. Here, the fan blades. Take care of any ice here. Any ice or any FOD. Fuel tank vents. Here, left and right. Here, nose landing gear doors. Here, the nose landing gear doors. The main landing gear doors. This is the doors of the main landing gear, left and right. Here's the APU Air Inlets. The APU Air Inlet. Here, if you saw or if you see the icing formation or frozen, you must take care to carry out these steps. De-icing to remove frozen contaminants. The number 2, anti-icing fluid to prevent contamination. Okay? This is the last video. I am waiting your suggestion and your comments to begin other series. Thank you very much and goodbye.